children. Now we will start our 10th lesson, the quiz. So, in unit 5th children, we learn about how can we manage our stress, our sorrows, difficulties, problems. So, on the basis of that stress management, this lesson is also we will learn. From this lesson also we will learn how we can change our attitude if you don't change ourselves. If you don't like to change ourselves, so it is very problematic. So during the situation, according to situation, we can change ourselves, we can change our attitude. So from this lesson also we will learn about this thing. So there are 3 girls, Suma, Renu and Malika. How many girls are there? 3 girls are there. 3 friends are there. Suma, Renu and Malika were not only classmates but also great friends. They were great friends. They were selected to participate in the inter-school quiz contest. In their school, there was one competition, inter-school quiz competition. We are taking also in our school. So in their school also there was quiz competition. They decided to prepare well for the quiz, and they 3 best friends were decided to participate and decided to prepare well for that quiz. They bought books of general knowledge and started their preparation, because there was questions of general knowledge. So 3 of them, they bought one book of general knowledge and start their preparation because they wanted to win that quiz contest. As the day of the contest approached, Suma became too tensed and she fell ill. She had to withdraw from the quiz. Suma had taken so much tension. She was preparing well, but only because of tension, only because of stress, he was getting ill. And she withdraw her name from this competition, from this quiz competition. सो उसके स्ट्रेस की वजह से वो बीमार पड़ गई और उसने अपना नाम वहाँ से हटा लिया. Then Renu went to memorizing various details from the different books on different topics. Renu started to read different topics, different books. So she became overconfident. Renu became overconfident. Suma became ill because of stress. But because of overconfidence, what happened with Renu, we will see. But on the day before the contest, she could not remember anything. She read so many topics, so many question answers and so many things from various books. But only because of overconfidence, she forgot all things. She couldn't remember anything on the day of quiz contest. She became so nervous that she could not even get out of bed on the day of the quiz. And after that, she became so much nervous. Suma became ill. And Renu became nervous, and because of this nervousness, she couldn't get up from her bed. Nervousness के कारण वो अपने बेड से उठ ही नहीं पाई, and she also didn't participate in that quiz contest. Malika also collected various details from various books. Malika, she was so much understanding girl. So she collected various details from various books. She realized she had to remember many things. She didn't get any stress. She didn't overconfident. Simply she was reading all things and she became, then she got down the preparation with a calm mind. Children, always remember one thing, while examination you have to be calm and quiet mind. If your mind is not quiet, is not calm, so you can't remember anything. So only hard work is not important, but hard work with calm and quiet mind. बहुत ही शांति से, बहुत ही समझदारी से हमें काम लेना होता है एग्जाम के समय। अदरवाइज तुम कितनी भी मेहनत करो, अगर वक्त पे तुम्हें कुछ याद ना आए सो कोई काम का नहीं है। सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग इन योर होल लाइफ, whenever you will give exam, keep your mind very calm and quiet. हमें एकदम शांत चित्त से सब कुछ पढ़ना है। So she classified all the topics and built up her knowledge. On the day of the contest, Malika felt confident. Children, be confident, but don't be overconfident. I am telling always you that overconfidence is very dangerous to you, is obstacle in your path of success. ये बहुत बड़ी बाधा है, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस होना ये बहुत बड़ी बाधा है तुम्हारे सक्सेस के रास्ते में। सो डोंट बी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट। मल्लिका वॉज कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज शी वॉज रीडिंग वेरी काम एंड क्वाइट माइंड एंड शी वॉज रिमेंबरिंग ऑल थिंग्स। शी परफॉर्म्ड वेल एंड वन द कॉन्टेस्ट and at last children, Malika won the contest because she didn't get any stress and she didn't be overconfident. So she won that quiz competition. Now the situation faced by the three girls was the same. They wanted to participate in quiz contest, but each of them reacted in a different way. Reaction, whatever we are doing, so don't be react in other way. हम जो भी करते हैं, so whatever we are doing, be confident about that. Three girls were in the same situation, but they reacted in different way, and so only Malika won that quiz contest. So children, how can we manage stress? Now we will learn that in next part, how can we manage our stress. Thank you.